The CalArts Connect business directory is unique because it's the only place to find a list of businesses owned by or affiliated with CalArtian students and alumnus. The search bar can be used to enter keywords or filter by category. You can also filter by location. To learn more about a business, click anywhere on its listing. To add a business to the business directory, select Start Posting. Under Assign To, you can give ownership of the business listing to another registered user, or you can leave it blank to automatically assign it to yourself. Each business can only be assigned to one user at a time. Then you'll need to provide a name for your business and choose a category from the drop-down list to classify it. It's okay if the categories available don't fit your business perfectly. Users will still be able to find you by searching for keywords that you include in a short header and a detailed description of your business. Not all of this information is visible on the short version of the listing, so make the first sentence count to catch the eye of potential customers browsing the directory. You can optionally customize a special offer for users who discover your business through the directory by adding an offer headline, a short description, and a link they can use to access the offer on your website. This offer will display as a banner over your listing's cover photo. Don't forget to include the best contact information to reach your business, which will display on the right side of your listing page under the offer breakdown. And lastly, you'll want to upload a logo and cover photo, or choose a cover photo from the available stock images so your listing stands out from the crowd. Once you click Post Business, you're all set. Make sure to strengthen the CalArts community by supporting other CalArtian businesses.